under Step 4, Comparison, click the button for Cumulative Sum. This chart shows a cumulative sum of the differences between the actual and predicted values. And as such, the change over time gives an indicator of changing energy use. The key things that we're looking for in this chart are straight lines, which indicate relatively consistent energy use relative to the independent variables. And then we wanted to look at periods in time when there's a change in slope, because that indicates a time in when a change happened in the facility. Generally, I like looking at, when I first create the model, doing an end-to-end CUSUM, which means that this CUSUM that I've generated here, I haven't changed the baseline period of the model, so it covers the full range of data that I've included. And I can see here that at the macro level, there are 3 distinct regions. There's sort of a down region here, a relatively flat region across, and then it starts increasing at the end as well. And what I want to look for is particularly these inflection points where it changes from the downslope to the upslope, or this relatively horizontal line here. So I can note here that that's around the end of August 2016, early September 2016. And then if I look over on this end, when it goes from this straight period up to this area, that's happening around early May 2018. So these are clues that I can now go back to my facility operator, my building operator, my operations manager, and ask them what changes may have occurred here, or what is different about our process or how our buildings operate from between this period and this period here. And that can give some clues as to what is happening in the facility and what may be contributing to these changes in the CUSUM. Now, ideally, what you want to do is, over the baseline period, you want to try to smooth these out. And if you can figure out what is causing these changes or these different modes of operation by these different slopes, and build that into your model by including that as independent variables, then that will help smooth out over your baseline period. And then ideally what you want is a straight line coming across, and then in your reporting period, an inflection point when an energy saving project went in, and then a slope going down.